Hello, my name is Sagar Chandratre and I'm going to show you today how to calculate mean deviation about mean. We are going to take a very simple example. So we have some x values here. So the first step is to calculate the arithmetic mean of this data. So as you can see, mean is given by summation of x by n. We sum up all the x values 10, 20, 30, 40. Summation is 100 and then we divide by the number of numbers. So we have 4 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we divide 100 by 4 and we get the mean as 25. The second step is to find out the deviations from 25 from each of the x values. We are going to subtract 25 from each of the x values and we are going to ignore the sign because we are interested in finding out the absolute deviation. So for example, 10 minus 25 is minus 15, but we ignore the sign and put in just 15 here. 20 minus 25 is minus 5, we just put a 5 here. We do this procedure for all the x values and get the deviations as below or as shown in the figure. Then we go on to find out the mean deviation about mean, which is simply the summation of all the deviations divided by the number of numbers. So here the summation of all these deviations is 40 and we divide that value by 4 and we get the mean deviation as 10. So just to repeat the procedure, first find out the mean, then create a column with the heading deviation or small d, find out the deviations of each of the x values from the mean, ignore the signs, and then add up all the deviations and divide them by the number of numbers and get the mean deviation about